So people are petrified right now in the markets. And I understand if you're looking at the status quo of like, oh, look, the Federal Reserve might actually really care about this inflation that's happening. I'm going to get into that. I'm going to quell your fears. But first, please like and subscribe and check us down below for our CT Club where you get our trade alerts, portfolio updates. You get to see what we are doing in this market. We are doing fantastic in the whole grand scheme of things. Okay, so right now, today, we are going to hear the Federal Reserve Chairman either raise interest rate 0.75% or 1 full point, okay? So right now, the market has priced in, obviously, a 0.75% rate hike, okay? But what if they do raise it 1 full point? That's going to freak markets out. That's going to make crypto stocks, it's going to be risk off, okay? So people are going to flood into the dollar. What you'll see is the dollar rise a little bit. Bond yields might go up a little bit as well. But in the grand scheme of things, it's meaningless. 1%, you're having inflation, like real inflation, 20%. In Europe, at least 20% in comparison to the dollar, which has risen huge against the euro already, okay? So relax. This Federal Reserve is going to print so much currency to prop up the market, not only that, but also to quell the bond market, which is pretty much the lifeblood of the entire economic system that we have right now. So, if the bond yields continue to sell off by raising those rates, the 10-year especially, then you're going to see a lot of trouble. But I don't think that's what's going to happen right now. I think the Federal Reserve does want to keep blowing up this bubble. They're going to eventually have the market down. People are going to beg for like lower rates. They're going to beg for a weaker dollar, and the Federal Reserve is going to do that. You know why? Because they're going to try to buy up everything in the world. The more they print, the more their balance sheet rises, the more they're buying, So that's exactly what's going to happen. And altogether, a 3% federal fund rate is literally nothing, especially when we have a CPI at just over 8%. If they were really serious about raising or taking care of inflation, quelling that inflation, they would today put it at 8%, 10%. Go for it. Volcker did. Look what happened that. He tried to quell inflation. It worked for a little bit, but then they smash it back down because, the Federal Reserve, they want complete inflation. They want to blow bubbles all the time. So anyways, please relax with this crypto market. Have a longer term outlook. Don't be worried about this short term noise. It's completely meaningless. And have fun. If you have cash on the side, and if they do raise it 1 point, go ahead and, I'm going to buy. I'm personally going to buy. Heidi and I are definitely buying, and our CT Club members, they will know exactly what we're getting into. Anyways, talk to you soon. Bye.